Okay, one more. So you say, and then you're here for another hour and a half. Can't help it. There's so much that I have to say. And so many things get in my way. Like other things that I have to say. So obnoxious. And I'm sorry that you have to put up with me. Then again, if you didn't, well, I'd be just like everybody else, selling myself. But you can count on me to never do that sort of thing. I got off Facebook back in 2006 because I realized what we were really dealing with. They've given everybody a personality disorder. I call it borderline personality. You're on the borderline of psychosis. That's what it means. But honestly, I don't think that they're on the borderline anymore. So you're a full-blown psychotic. And the fact that anybody would have any hope in any motherfucking thing is pretty pathetic. But then again, I look at these kids that are being brought up in my church, and I want to have some faith in what they can bring to the world. And I'm sure that people just like me in the previous generations, they looked at everybody and thought, why is he still alive and why is she still alive? They're obviously dead inside and on the outside. Just because you're breathing oxygen don't mean nothing. Just because you got legs and you're walking around, that don't mean nothing. I mean, I know I sound unappreciative, but see, I appreciate it. I appreciate having legs and being able to walk around. And I appreciate having lungs and being able to breathe whatever the fuck this air is right now. And the heavily polluted air, polluted on purpose. Don't you see all them planes flying around? Don't you see all that stuff that they spray? Go ahead and call me whatever you want to call me, in hopes to convey that I am cray, 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 cray. But you're gay, 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 gay. Anyway, totally lost my train of thought. Nihilism, addiction. Okay. When you see everybody around you doing what they do, this. Never not this. It's always this. And say that ignorance is bliss, but I don't agree. No, I don't. Cause you're not free. No, you're not free. I'm the only one in this bloody country that's free. freedom sounds a lot like this, baby. Oh, hi, NSA. How are you doing? Are you masturbating to the thought of destroying everybody? That's cool. You always get off to that? Yeah. Yeah, well, it's easy to get off to, because, everybody, they just can't wait to just throw their freedom down the drain, Yeah, they do. They do. They love it. They love to pretend they have freedom. They love to pretend that freedom is something that they appreciate or something that they want, but obviously it's not. I know. I'm glad you agree. I'm glad you agree. I appreciate your time. Thank you, NSA. Okay. Sorry, I had to take a call. That was random. Okay, I wasn't planning on doing that. If everybody is obese, why would you stop eating? If everybody is falling down drunk, why would you stop yourself from having yet another shot? If everybody around you is blowing smoke, you're gonna blow smoke, yeah. Well, you're a product of your environment, and sadly, everybody's being influenced by everybody else, which is precisely why I still have a flip phone. If you couldn't tell, I'm pretty angry, and I'm pretty bitter, and I'm allowed to be, damn it. Because I'm the only one that really saw this one through. Yeah, I'm the only one that said fuck you, 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 and everything you're trying to do. Unfortunately, society can't wait to kill itself. Yeah, unfortunately, society can't wait to pretend that, oh, it's everybody else but me. No, it's never you, it's never you. It's never your responsibility to do what you want everybody else to do. You're pathetic. You're pathetic. You make me sick. I'm trying to make people feel guilty. Okay, obviously, because it is possible to live without a smartphone. It is possible. Now, I realize we never upgraded, so we never got addicted to it because we know too much about addiction and we know how bad technology is. It's obvious. It's obvious that technology is bad. You're fucking stupid if you think otherwise. You're stupid, 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 and I hope you kill yourself. I hope you lie in a puddle of vomit after you drink yourself to death. I hope that's what happens to you, bitch. I hope. Anyway, I did not mean to do that. That was cool, though. That was cool. I just threw my phone, and it hit, like, the symbol button. But yeah, I'm allowed to be bitter because, like, I've gone out of my way to avoid this shit, and everybody else just caved into it. Everybody else just folded. They went right along with it. What do you think is going to happen whenever they start mandating that shot and they tell you, oh no, well, you can't access your phone without a shot? What do you think is going to happen? Do you think that these people that pretend they're so transgressive, you think that they're going to keep being transgressive? Do you think that's going to happen? I can tell you that answer's a hard no.